Is the U.S. housing market heading for a price drop or even a crash? With high prices, rate cuts, and headlines of a possible 2008 crash, a lot of homeowners and buyers are very nervous right now. Today, we're breaking down exactly what's happening, what the data says, what you should be preparing for, not panicking about. Let's start with the big question. Is this another 2008? Short answer is no. Today's fundamentals are totally different, and we'll explain what they are. Let's move into where home prices are at right now. So home prices aren't crashing, they're cooling, and that's completely normal. Some markets that overheated are now cooling, like parts of Florida, Texas, and Arizona. Meanwhile, more affordable metro areas in the Northeast and Midwest are still seeing growth. What we're moving into is a more balanced market. Could some buyers see pricing drop? Yes, in some markets where the supply is increasing. But widespread price drops, very unlikely, just because we will need to see a significant increase in spike in the inventory levels. Now, the next question is, what about rates? How's that going to affect the real estate market? Well, interest rates are actually the wild card right now. When they dip into the low sixes, buyers rush back into the market and start buying again. And demand pushes prices up. And right now, rate sensitivity is higher than ever. And then the next question I always get asked, what about foreclosures? And the simple answer is this, that foreclosures are up slightly, but well below the normal levels at where they were. And with record homeowner equity, a lot of sellers can still sell, preventing foreclosure. So the wave of distressed sales are not on the horizon. So here's my final advice. The story on this market is that we're not crashing, we're normalizing. Prices flattening, more inventory, calmer competition. If you're a homeowner, focus on the long game. Real estate always comes through in the long run. If you're a buyer waiting for a huge drop, you might have missed your window. So don't let fear headlines control what you do in the real estate market, whether you buy or sell. My name is Mike Fiebernitz, RE/MAX Southern Shores, here in the Myrtle Beach real estate market. Hit the like, subscribe button. Also, drop me a comment. Let me know what questions you got about this interesting market. Guys, until the next video, thanks for tuning in. See you guys in the next one.